Ready to transform your home into a space that feels straight out of the future? These Amazon smart home upgrades add comfort, control, and a luxurious edge to your everyday routine. From voice-activated convenience to lighting that completely changes the vibe, every detail is designed to make life smoother and more refined. Your home should know when you're comfortable. This smart thermostat learns your routine and adjusts the temperature automatically. When you leave, it turns itself down so you're not heating or cooling an empty house. You can control it from your phone, tablet, or laptop wherever you are. It's Energy Star certified, which means it's designed to save energy while keeping you cozy. It even monitors your HVAC system and sends alerts if something doesn't seem right, so you stay one step ahead. This isn't just a coffee table, it's your living room's new command center. Built-in refrigerated drawers keep your drinks perfectly chilled, and you can set the exact temperature on a digital display. Dual Bluetooth speakers with 20-watt power deliver deep, punchy sound, while RGB lights glow and pulse to the music. On top, you get 15-watt wireless charging, USB ports, and standard outlets to power all your devices. The tempered glass surface is easy to clean, so you can relax, host, and charge up without the clutter. Say goodbye to cold feet in the blink of an eye. This electric foot warmer wraps your feet in ultra-soft flannel fleece and delivers soothing heat that kicks in fast. 3 adjustable settings let you pick just the right warmth and massage intensity for tired toes. Gentle vibration brings extra comfort after a long day on your feet, and built-in overheat protection keeps everything safe while you relax. Fresh herbs without a backyard? Yes, please! This 5-tier hydroponic growing system lets you grow tons of plants vertically, so you use less space and get more harvest. Full-spectrum LED lights mimic natural sunlight, helping your greens grow faster all year round. Smart climate control with automatic misting and ventilation keeps humidity just right with barely any effort from you. A quiet circulation pump runs on a timed cycle to keep roots healthy, so you can enjoy fresh produce without the daily upkeep. This humidifier looks like it's defying gravity. The floating water effect creates a mesmerizing display, while cool mist fills your room with comfortable moisture. Ultrasonic technology keeps it whisper quiet, so you can sleep, work, or relax without noise. An LED display shows the time and settings clearly at a glance. With adjustable mist control and automatic humidity regulation, you get the perfect balance of comfort and style in one sleek device. Big help comes in a small screen. This smart display lets you see the weather, headlines, and your calendar at a glance. Ask for music, shows, or podcasts, and enjoy deeper bass and clearer vocals than before. You can video call friends, check in on your pets, or view your front door with compatible cameras. Control your lights and thermostat with just your voice. And when it's idle, it doubles as a digital photo frame filled with your favorite memories. Sometimes the best way to focus is to lock the distraction away. This portable phone lockbox seals your device inside and sets a timer, so you can't grab it until time's up. You choose the countdown, and once it starts, there's a short hesitation window in case you change your mind. It runs for up to 30 days on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about constant recharging. Emergency calls are still possible, but everything else waits, giving you real, uninterrupted focus. Measuring just got way smarter. This digital tape measure rolls along flat, curved, or odd-shaped surfaces and shows the results instantly on a clear LCD screen. It handles linear, circular, and irregular measurements, even keeping a record of your last 10 readings. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it stretches up to 29.5 feet in one go, with cumulative totals up to 324 feet. Rechargeable and easy to use, it turns everyday measuring into a precise and surprisingly fun task. Turn any wall into your personal theater. This mini projector streams videos, movies, and photos in 4K and 1080p with crisp colors and rich contrast. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you connect speakers, headphones, or devices without a mess of cables. Auto keystone and 180 degrees rotation make it easy to get the perfect angle and sharp focus. Lightweight and compatible with HDMI, USB, and laptops. It's perfect for movies, gaming, or even presentations anywhere you go. Make floor cleaning almost fun. This steam mop scrubs and sanitizes in one pass, tackling stuck-on messes without damaging your floors. 3 steam modes let you choose light, everyday, or deep cleaning. LED headlights reveal dirt hiding in corners, while rotating pads scrub over 150 times per minute to lift stains effortlessly. Perfect for hardwood, tile, marble, or stone. It's lightweight, easy to steer, and keeps your home sparkling with minimal effort. Who said nail art has to be messy? This 3D nail printer turns any design into a flawless manicure in just 30 seconds. Whether your nails are natural, acrylic, or tips, it prints smudge-proof gel patterns with salon-quality precision. You can use your phone to turn photos, logos, or patterns into custom nail art that fits perfectly on every nail. With 2400 DPI resolution and automatic nail recognition, designs stay crisp and last over 20 days. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and comes with everything you need to start printing right away. Tired of stumbling in the dark? This plug-in nightlight brightens up hallways, bathrooms, or bedrooms with a soft, elegant glow. The built-in sensor turns it on automatically when it's dark and off when it's light, so you don't have to touch a thing. You can adjust the brightness with a simple dimmer to match your mood or need. Its shatter-resistant acrylic and bubble design make it both durable and visually stunning. Just plug it in and enjoy hands-free, cozy lighting wherever you need it. Breathe easier in every corner of your home. This powerful air purifier cleans rooms up to 3,620 square feet, tackling dust, odors, and pet hair with ease. A dedicated pet mode keeps fur and dander under control, while the washable pre-filter makes maintenance simple. You can even add your favorite scents with the aromatherapy feature. Smart home ready, it works with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home, giving you fresh air at the tap of a finger. Tired of fighting over outlets? This removable track outlet lets you move and add sockets exactly where you need them. It supports 3 AC plugs and USB-A/C supercharging, keeping all your devices powered without clutter. LED indicators show which outlets are on, and the twist-to-power feature means you never have to unplug to turn off. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it resists scratches, heat, and corrosion. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or living rooms, it keeps power organized, safe, and flexible. Start your day smarter, not harder. This sleek smart alarm clock wakes you up gently with music or light, while showing the time, weather, and song titles at a glance. You can personalize the display with fun colors and clock faces, and control smart home devices with just your voice. Rich sound fills the room, perfect for music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Compact, stylish, and Alexa ready, it keeps your morning smooth and your home connected. Never serve a cold meal again. This food warming mat keeps your dishes at the perfect temperature, from soups to hot pots. You can adjust 6 heat levels and set a timer up to 6 hours, so everything stays just right. The heat-resistant pad protects tables from burns, and it works with glass, ceramic, or stainless steel plates. With a child lock for safety and easy cleanup, it's perfect for family dinners, parties, or buffets. Say goodbye to messy spills in the laundry room. This drip-catching cup holder keeps detergent bottles upright and leaks contained. Its upgraded tray design holds drips and prevents puddles from forming on shelves or counters. The strong grip style keeps it securely in place, even with heavy bottles. Easy to clean and simple to use, it keeps your laundry space tidy and stress-free every wash day. Keep your bathroom neat without any hassle. This wall-mounted organizer holds up to 7 toothbrushes, toothpaste, and even your daily cosmetics. The automatic dispenser squeezes toothpaste without waste, while magnetic cups drain upside down to stay clean and dry. 2 drawers and a tray give extra storage for razors, soap, or combs. Easy to install without drilling, it sticks firmly to almost any surface, making your bathroom tidy and organized instantly. Sleep like royalty every night. This adjustable mattress lets you raise the head or foot to find your perfect position, whether you're reading, watching, or resting. The memory foam top keeps you cool and cradles your body, while 3 massage settings melt away tension. Control everything easily with a remote or app, and charge your devices with built-in USB ports. Durable and supportive, it's designed for all sleepers, and comes with a 365-night trial and a forever warranty. Fill any room with relaxing aromas without ever adding water. This cordless diffuser uses advanced atomization to turn your favorite oils into a fine mist that spreads across up to 3,000 square feet. You can control it with an app, set timers, and adjust spray intensity for exactly the vibe you want. Use it on a desk or hang it up and enjoy whisper quiet operation that won't disturb your peace. Battery or Type-C power makes it easy to move anywhere, creating a calming atmosphere wherever you are. Never let cold hands slow you down. These magnetic hand warmers snap together for a single cozy unit or separate to warm each hand individually. They heat up fast, with 4 temperature levels reaching up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep you warm for up to 16 hours. Made from sleek aluminum, they feel great in your hands and distribute heat evenly. Plus, one doubles as a 10,000 milliampere-hour USB-C power bank, so you can charge your devices on the go. Turn your bathroom into a personal spa. This freestanding bathtub cradles your body with graceful curves and built-in lumbar support for ultimate comfort. 7 adjustable water jets massage your back, sides, and feet, while the 0.75 horsepower pump delivers soothing power throughout. Made from durable, high-gloss acrylic, it's easy to clean and built to last. With a deep soak and slip-resistant floor, every bath becomes a relaxing, restorative experience. Add a touch of magic to your desk. This levitating lamp floats effortlessly above its base, creating a mesmerizing glow that grabs attention. Touch controls let you adjust brightness for work, reading, or relaxing ambiance. It also doubles as a wireless charger, keeping your devices powered without clutter. Sleek, modern, and enchanting, it's perfect for offices, bedrooms, or living rooms, turning ordinary spaces into something extraordinary. Give your indoor plants the light they crave. This clip-on grow light shines full-spectrum illumination directly where your plants need it most. The flexible gooseneck lets you adjust the angle, while 4 dimming levels and a 3/6/12-hour timer make care effortless. Compact but powerful, it supports succulents, violets, aloe, and more. Easy to clip, energy efficient, and safe. It helps your greenery thrive all year round. Take your favorite shows anywhere, rain or shine. This portable smart TV is waterproof, battery-powered, and floats, making it perfect for pools, bathrooms, or camping trips. Built-in Wi-Fi and Google TV let you stream apps, browse content, and even use voice commands. Dual speakers deliver clear sound, and the 1080p screen keeps every scene sharp. Lightweight, versatile, and wire-free, it turns any space into your personal entertainment zone. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.